some good, delicious tea, honey.
I know. I even make it though.
Oh, wow. Baka!
I think she's quite unlucky.
Don't worry, I've got this. Leave so much stuff to our house. No! Well, that just happened. I guess he has to take bodies out.
What's hiding here?
Who is it?
The police!
I heard some complaints about gunshots. Looks like everything's okay here.
Sorry about the mix-up, Mr. Police Officer.
It's not gonna go in our record, right?
Alright.
You guys are fine.
Okay.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Enjoy the money.
Do you have a license for this?
Okay.
They say we are what we are, but we don't have to be. I'm bad behavior, but I do it in the best way. I'll be the watcher of the eternal flame.
Go.
Some good, delicious tea.
Thank you. I didn't even make it though.
Wow.
Oh, wait, not now.
Wait, start over. I have to get down the table. I came in at the right time. This is some good, delicious tea, honey.
I didn't even make it. Thanks.
Oh, wow.
I'm so tired.
Okay, action.
Okay. Honey, this is some good, delicious tea. Did you seriously just do that?
I didn't even make it.
What a quiet evening we are having.
Where'd she go?
I don't know. This was a good one too.
She didn't go. May? This week?
I
gotta go store Canna.
Hi!
That was a perfect one.
That was a really good.
Isn't this like our 10th made this week?
No, it was the 11th.
Oh yeah, I forgot Bobby.
Yeah. I guess I have to go find a new one, don't we?
Are we
Yeah.
filming?
Yeah.